Welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring the fascinating shoebill bird. Fact number 1. The shoebill bird is a large, prehistoric-looking creature native to Africa. Fact number 2. It is known for its distinctive shoe-shaped bill, hence its name. Fact number 3. This incredible bird can grow up to 5 feet tall and weigh up to 15 pounds. Fact number 4. Despite its size, the shoebill has the ability to fly long distances. Fact number 5. Their diet consists mainly of fish, but they have been known to eat reptiles and small mammals as well. Fact number 6. The shoebill possesses a unique hunting technique, patiently waiting for prey to approach before striking with lightning speed. Fact number 7. Their deep, hollow call can be heard from miles away, making them quite the vocal creature. Fact number 8. These birds are not very social, usually preferring to spend time alone in their wetland habitats. Fact number 9. The shoebill has been classified as vulnerable due to habitat destruction and hunting. Fact number 10. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the shoebill and raise awareness about its importance in maintaining the ecosystem. If you're as intrigued by these facts as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our bird-loving community. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all our future content on fascinating creatures like the shoebill bird. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! All you need is love.